Hi, this is G Harmony Investments Cleaning Services. Today we are focused on the weed that we have herbicide like a month and a week ago. As you can see, and now the result actually, I think it did a great job. It actually justified everything. I could see from the green it started to turn into this brownish color. So the root is actually definitely been killed. So we will try and remove it throughout the day. So now the time is like 10:25. So yeah, stay tuned. So just a quick review on the Roundup herbicide we used. As you can see, it really dominated. So it really kills uh, the root of the reed. So we did apply it on. You'll see there's some areas that grew a little bit, new reeds that are coming out, the weed is coming out, but those are the ones we didn't spray. But those are the ones we were just trying to dig out and make sure the root is also out, including with the rest of the weed. Yeah, so we've got, what time is it now? What's it? 10:25. As you can see, that's the first area of the yard. That's the entrance. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys go out there and try and get that the Roundup WeedKiller. So I tried it and it really worked, and I'm actually happy with it. Just hope and see whether it's gonna be the last of this weed growing here. Alright, this is G Harmony Cleaning Service from Wildfish Bay, Namibia, and I'm Romano Nusep, and see you next time. How far we got. What time is it now? It's 5 minutes to 12. We started around like 25 minutes past 10. So now it's 5 to 12. This is how far we've gone. This is how far we've gone with the removal or the digging out of the weed. so we're gonna take a little break, maybe from, let's say, from 12 to